Hello and welcome back to Vanilla & Co, where me, Amy, and Vanilla just share a little bit of our lives with you all. Some gardening, some home things, and just living life. So we're gonna go ahead and put little Vanilla down. So anyway, like I said, welcome back. If you are coming back, you're coming back after quite a bit of time. I hadn't posted in a few months since earlier this year. You know, life happens, we just get busy, and got work, got other things, but I'm back. So what I want to go over in this video is some of the fall planting that I'm gonna do. I bought some bulbs, I bought some fall seeds, and also I'm probably going to reorganize my seeds. Originally I had organized them by type, which is fine, but I didn't even consider to look at the fall planting ones. And when I do fall plant, I'm kind of just going to do some direct sowing. I'm not going to worry about putting them in any seed trays. It might be a little late to fall plant for some of you, but here in Zone 7B, East Tennessee, we've had a very, very warm fall. It's barely cooling down. We had like 1 week of cool weather where we almost got into a freeze. I had like a little bit of frost in my window, but all my plants were okay. And we still have not had our first hard frost. So I still very much have time to plant some of these, and we're starting tomorrow. I have tulips, I have daffodils, I have grape hyacinths, so I'm going to take you on that journey tomorrow, which you'll see in this video after we do the seeds here. So let's go ahead and get organizing. So if you watched my seed starting video, my first video on this channel ever, you would have seen that all of my seeds were very organized. I had labels on them and when I was supposed to plant them. And then I did some late summer planting, and I created a mess. I'm already dropping stuff. I am a little embarrassed to share what I am about to share. But I just threw all my seeds, like, it was wild. And it's okay. Also, by the way, you can see some of the stuff that I planted, or just see me post more consistently on my social media, on my Instagram page. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and give me a follow. But anyway, even though I had put like when I should be planting these, I always started everything in the spring. So really what I want to focus on is just separating the things that I want to start in the fall, aka tomorrow. I'm just gonna go for it. We're just gonna throw it in the ground and see what grows, because ain't nobody got time for that. And we're back. Vanilla just had dinner, so she's a very happy girl. But anyway, it took a little while. It's dark out now. It was slightly brighter when I started the seeds. But anyway, now we can kind of go through what I am planning to kind of just sow out in the wild. We have some of these alliums. And then we have our herbs. And then we have our brassicas. I am also doing the rooted vegetables. They're basically all beets. And then as far as the flowers go, so I'm excited for that. We'll see you tomorrow. For you, I'll see you in a second. Alrighty, today is the next day, and just for some context, it's November 16th. It is pretty hot outside. All this week had been cold, cloudy, rainy, and today the sun is on full throttle. It's warm. So we have a couple plans for these bulbs. I'm going to go over the daffodils and the grape hyacinth first. I I saw a photo where there was like a sea of purple and then just like the pops of the daffodils, and the purple was a great hyacinth. So these are the two daffodil varieties that we got. We got a yellow mix and a white kind of peachy mix, and we got these from a local nursery. That's going to be your best bet for some good variety. Big box stores like Home Depot and things like that will carry bulbs, but they don't always carry a good variety. You can even get bulbs at Costco now, depending where you are in the country. But anyway, this is the variety of grape hyacinth that we got. We got like this double flowering variety. I am super excited about these kind of daffodils. We also got some Joan of Arc crocus, ranunculus, iris. And anyway, we'll get into our tulips now, which I'm pretty excited to have a good variety of tulips. So these I got at the local nursery again. So we have some pink, a purple mix, which is gorgeous. This one I got online. I really wanted something different. I think this has like amber and stuff. I will show you right here. So I got these online. I just bought like a huge bag of pink and white, kind of as fillers. So we've got a lot of bulbs to plant. I did buy an auger this year. Last year I either hand shoveled through that hard clay or we used my husband's drill and maybe almost burned it out. So we're not going to be doing that this year, considering I have a lot of garden projects. We invested in the auger. So let's get going. Alrighty, so this is some of the work that we got done. We had a huge rut in here that was formed due to all of the rainwater just coming down from all the gutters, and instead of filling the rut, I just wanted to create this stream. So I want to plant all around it, and we got fill dirt to fill all this back in so that we can like start seeding it. We have to reseed the lawn, so we got a lot to do. And when I said it was warm, like it got cold and then it got warm, it's fooling my tree. Like it's reflowering. It's not supposed to flower until spring, and it has new leaves. Alright, hello. We've dug the holes. This one is for the ranunculus. So I got some garden mix dirt from our local nursery. We're reseeding, so we just got a ton of, like a truckload of dirt. And I'm gonna fill a little bit into the holes, and then I'm just gonna cover it with the same dirt. With that same garden mix dirt. And yeah, so let's get to it. These say to be buried at a depth of 2 inches and about 4 inches apart. I'm probably gonna cluster them a little bit, but we'll see how this goes. I'm assuming this is the top and these are the roots, but I'm not sure. I'm putting a layer of the garden mix soil on top. What I hope me laying a layer on top will also do will kind of act more as like a slower release of nutrients throughout the winter season into the spring. Well, more into the spring. I don't expect a lot to happen during the winter if we don't get a lot of rain. So, but once spring comes around, this should kind of help pick the roots back up. Of course, these are new, so they technically shouldn't really need a lot, but still I want to set up my bulbs for success. So we were able to finish putting in the tulips in the stream. It was definitely a longer project than I had imagined, and it was pretty hot today. Definitely leaving the hillside, which I didn't get to show you guys today, for another day. And I just want to say thanks for joining us if you made it this far. I'm kind of going to be changing up this channel, putting in a little bit more things, not just garden things. So I will be doing Vlogmas. Not sure exactly to what extent, maybe like a 12 days version for the first 12 days of December, but we'll see. Stay tuned. I will be posting something for Thanksgiving, and Vanilla and I wish you a very, very happy weekend. Hope you guys are doing well, and God bless. So, if you watched any of my seed starting, okay, start over. I had my start over. Today is the next day, and just for a second, blah. Alrighty, so today is the next day, and just for some